Hello friends, I'm Rahul Kumar and this is the video on Catia V5. In this video, I will explain you how to design a arm. So in this PDF, you can see here this is an image of the arm here, and in this video, I will explain you how to design it in Catia V5 with the help of all these tools like a sketching pad, elasticity line, circle, middle, constraint, and all this. I will take the help of all this command, and with the help of all this command, I will design this arm in Catia V5. So start this. So friend, before I start to explain how to design it on Catia V5, I would like to explain in this sketch only. In this in this video, I will first design this part, this this whole part, and later I will design this upper part, and in the last I will design this cylindrical part. So start this. So friend, it open now. I will select the budget plane here, and friend, you can see in this image here, in this bottom part, first I have to design this part, and then I can design this upper part. So first I will design this two part. So to design it, I have to click here in this rectangle tool, and under that there is an option called cylindrical elongated hole. I have to click on this, and first I have to select the center. So as you can see in the figure, it's given here from this center, its radius is 45. So I will select this center point is the center one, and I will form this one, and you can see it formed here. And now I will here you can see its radius. Semicircle part have the radius of not 20 here, yeah, it's here. This semi this part have the radius of 10. So I will give its value as 10 here, and you can see its radius from this center point to this radius is 45. So I will give its value as 45, and I will do this point as allowed to this axis. I mean, I will do this 2 point to symmetry to this axis. So I will select this 2 point, and so friend, it happened here, and now I have to design this other part. This outer part I have to design, and you can see from this axis to this outer part have the radius of 20. It means from this center point to this outer part have the radius of total radius, if I take, then it will have the 65. So I will select this center point as the center of this outer cylindrical part, and I will design it again here. So again I will select this point as a center part, and again I will yeah. So friend, here you can see this outer part have the radius of 20. So I will I will do this value as 20 here, but it's not taking it. So to do that, I have to remove something from here. Yeah, this one. I have to edit this one here. Yeah, it formed here, and now I have to design this upper circle here and this small one also. So I will select this circle here. Again, I will select this one. And here you can see in this image this inner circle has the radius of 8. So and it also have this outer circle here, and it's have the value of radius 20 here. Radius 20, it means its value will be 40. And now friend, I have to design this outer part here. As you can see, this outer circle is here, and it have the value of radius 15 mm. So to design it again, I have to create a extra circle here, and yeah, and now here you can see this part is connected to the upper circle also and this circle also. So to do that, again I have to select this one and this one also, and I have to do, and the same way I will do here also. In the same way I will create here also this in the same way I will create this type of circuit here also. And here you can see this other part is not there. So in the same way here also this other part I have to remove here. To remove I will select this quick trim, and I will remove all these other parts. So friend, you can see here it formed here this part, and here now I have to design this rectangle part here. So to design it I have to select I have to create one rectangle here, and I will again select this rectangle here, and I will do these two line as the symmetry to the axis. And here you can see its thickness it given here, it's 15 mm. You can see these two edge have the distance of 15 mm. And friend, you can see here this outer part is not there, so in the same way I have to remove this other part here. So friend, here it's almost done here. This half part is almost created here in this Catia V5, and now it's time to pad it. I will exit the bench here, and now I will pat it. As you can see here in this image, its total thickness is here it given as 22 mm. So I will do in the same way. So friend, you can see here it's this half part, it's almost done in the same way as it is here in this image, as you can see. And if you want to color it, you can color it. So friend, to design this part, I have to select this lower part first. With the help of this only I can design this one. So here I have to select here. As you can see in the image that this part have the height of 35 mm from this edge, and its total width is about 60 mm, and in this side from this edge to this edge have the distance of 10, and from this edge to this edge have the distance of 28. So here I will design a rectangle here. And friend, here in this side it have the distance of 10, so in this side also I will give the value of 10, and these two edge it should be connected, and this part it should be 28. And friend, in the middle you can see it have the distance of 22. So as you can know that these two edge have the distance of 22 here. As you can see it is there, so it's not required here, and its height is 35 here. So and friend, I will pat it now. It should be in the reverse one, and friend, you can see this thickness is given here, so it will be same, and I will click on OK. So friend, you can see it formed here, and to design this part I have to take this help of this outer part of this cylindrical one. So first I will design this cylindrical one, and then I will design this lower part. So here you can see this center axis have the distance from this edge is 35, and the outer one have the value of 45, and the inner one has the value of radius 10. And here also you can see this outer part have the thickness of 5, and the other have the thickness of. So to design this linear part I will select this part again, and here friend you can see this outer part have the edge this edge, from this edge it has the distance of 10. So to create it, I will create one axis here, and this axis to this edge, it should be connected or 0. And now and from this edge to this center axis have the height of 35, it here. So friend, it formed now, and now I will add it. And here you can see in the image that this outer part have the width of 5, and the other this total part have the width of 30 mm. So in this part I will pad for 5, and the other part I will pad for, and now I will click on OK. So friend, you can see it formed now. And this other part, in this part I will take the help of this cylindrical part here, and to design it, you can see here this edge have the distance of 10 mm from this edge, and this part is connected with the cylindrical one. And to design the other part, I will select this part again. And friend, to take the help of this part, I will highlight this part with the help of this 3D tool. Now I will trim this extra part here. So friend, you can see here, and to check all this distance, you can see here in this part it have the distance of 10, and here in this part it have the distance of 5. So to check it, I will, so friend, here you can see it have the distance of 10, and in this side it have the distance of 5. So friend, I will pad it now. Sorry, I have to delete all this other extra part. Yeah, now I can pad it. Here you can see it came now. I will reverse it, and I will click on OK. So friend, you can see it formed now. This total arm is formed now, as in the image it is there. So you can also design with the help of this image in Catia V5. And now if you want to clear, you can clear this extra part here. To clear it again, you have to follow the same step. So friend, it formed now, and I also colored it with all different colors. I hope you learned all this command as I mentioned in this image, in this PDF here, and you also learned how to design this all arm. I hope you like this video. Thank you.